In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Equaliser in the Apple Music app. First we have to open up the app, and here it doesn't really matter how it opens up. We just go into the top row, tap on view, not view, on window, and here we have Equaliser. We can also open it up with Option Command E, but we can tap on this, and here we have a bunch of options to select from. Let's say acoustic, dance, hip hop, lounge, and obviously we have the bass settings as well. But yeah, that's basically where you can set up Equaliser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.